Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix 4C error on Samsung dishwasher, water supply check and reset. Fix 1. Check the water supply. Ensure the home's water valve is fully turned on, typically located under the sink. Disconnect the water supply hose and place it in a bucket to test water pressure. Check for a steady water flow approximately 10 liters per minute. Verify that the supply hose is not pinched, bent or twisted behind the dishwasher. Fix 2. Clean the water inlet valve filter. Turn off the water supply and unplug the dishwasher from the power source. Locate the water inlet valve typically found at the bottom rear or side of the dishwasher. Disconnect the water hose from the valve. Remove the small mesh filter from the valve opening using needle or nose pliers. Rinse the filter under a tap and scrub away a mineral buildup or debris with a soft toothbrush. Reinsert the clean filter and reconnect the water hose. Step 3. Inspect the float switch. Open the dishwasher door to access the float switch. Locate the float switch, typically a small plastic cover at the bottom of the tube. Inspect for food particles or soap scum or debris obstructing the float's movement. Clean around the base of the float switch to ensure it can move freely. Fix 4. Reset the dishwasher. Leave the dishwasher completely disconnect from the power. Wait exactly 5 minutes to clear the control board memory. Turn the water supply valve back on fully. Plug the dishwasher back in or flip the circuit breaker back on. Close the door and start a short test cycle. Thanks for watching.